morning, children. Today we are going to learn about computer memory and storage. Computer memory and storage. The human being, we have a brain. We can store our memories for in our brain. Like that, computer also having some memory and storage devices. We can store our things in cupboard, bureau, like fridge also. So computer also having some memory devices. Words, commands, chips, disks, data, primary, secondary, storage, bits, portable, binary. Commands, chips, disk, data, primary, secondary, storage, bits, portable, and then last one is binary. Computer memory have two types: primary memory, secondary memory. Primary memory and then secondary memory. In computer, primary memory have two types. There are RAM and ROM. The primary memory is the main memory of computer. It is essential for the computer system. RAM, random access memory. RAM is a memory that holds data and instruction temporarily. RAM, random access memory. Next one is ROM, read only memory. The ROM is pre-written memory. Read only memory. ROM. You can only read the instruction which are written on it. The secondary memory is the auxiliary memory of the computer. It stores data permanently until someone erases it purposely. There are many secondary storage devices. Let us learn some of them. The secondary memory is the auxiliary memory of the computer. It stores data permanently. They have many secondary storage devices. The first one is hard disk. A computer has a hard disk to store a large amount of data for further use. The hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. The computer has a hard disk to store a large amount of data. This is an external and internal storage device. If you want to that internal mean we keep it that CPU, or otherwise we can use that external hard disk. The next secondary storage devices CD and DVD. DVD, digital versatile disk, or otherwise digital video disk. What is the meaning of CD? CD means compact disk. A DVD is in circular shapes. If you are comparing CD also less amount of data than DVD. CD stores less amount of data comparing DVD. It is a circular shape. CD and DVD are circular shape. This is also the one of the secondary storage devices. The next one is pen drive. A pen drive is a portable storage device. It can store a large amount of data but less than hard disk. It can store a large amount of data but less than hard disk. It is connected via USB port to the computer. It is connected via USB port within our computer. It is in small size and lightweight. I hope you can understand the storage devices.